Hi everyone, welcome to Nifty Interiors once again. This is Keshav here. Presently we are located in My Home Avatar, which is a premium project in Hyderabad, which is located in Narsing. I'm going to show you the house which we have recently designed, the 3-bedroom apartment which is around 1830 SFT east facing. Please come in.
నిఫ్టీ ఇంటీరియర్ని కలిసే ముందు మేము చాలామంది ఇంటీరియర్స్ని ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేసాం, ఇంక్లూడింగ్ లివ్ స్పేస్, హోమ్ సెంటర్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్. బట్ ఎక్కడ కూడా మేము సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వలేదు. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు జస్ట్ వాళ్ళ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ తీసుకోవడం ఇంత ఎస్టిమేట్ అవుతుంది. ఇదే వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి వచ్చిన ఇనీషియల్ మాకు ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ అది. సో అసలు మాకు ఎక్కడ కూడా ద బెస్ట్ మేము వాట్ ఎవర్ వీఆర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ అనేది వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి రాదు అనేది మాకు కన్ఫర్మ్గా మాకు అర్థమైంది.
అంటే వాళ్ళు ఎవరు మా టేస్ట్ని ఏంటన్నది తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఎవరు ట్రై చేయలేదు, జస్ట్ మా రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఏంటని మాత్రమే కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేశారు. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఈ ఫస్ట్ టైం రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ అడిగి తర్వాత ఎట్లా కావాలి మీ టేస్ట్ ఏంటన్నది ఎక్కడ కనిపించలే మాకు ఈ 15 ఇంటీరియర్స్
అంటే అది ఒక సోకాల్ ప్రొసీజర్లా అనిపించింది. బట్ వెన్ ఎవర్ వి మెట్ కేశవ్ ఆన్ దిస్ ఇంటీరియర్, సో వాళ్ళు స్టార్టింగ్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ స్పేస్ యూటిలైజేషన్. అక్కడ మాకు చాలా వీఆర్ వెరీ వెల్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్ దేర్. మేము కొన్ని చోట్ల మా రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ చెప్పాం కానీ బట్ హీ కరెక్టెడ్ అస్. అంటే ఇది అవసరం లేదు మీకు, మీ రిక్వైర్మెంట్కి ఇది అవసరం లేదు అని ఒక ఇనీషియల్గానే ఒక బెస్ట్ డిజైన్ డెఫినెట్గా వస్తుంది అన్న ఒక కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ మాకు వచ్చింది. సో తర్వాత మేము అలా ఇంక్లూడింగ్ సెవరల్ మీటింగ్స్ తర్వాత we trusted them. Then ఫైనల్గా ఇది మా అవుట్పుట్. సో వీఆర్ వెరీ వెల్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్. సర్వీస్ దగ్గరకు వచ్చేసరికి కేశవ్ గారు, ద ఎంటైర్ క్రెడిట్ గోస్ టు కేశవ్ గారు. బికాజ్ ఈవెన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్లో వీ హ్యాడ్ సో మెనీ చేంజెస్. యాక్చువల్గా కంప్లీట్ ఒక కప్బోర్డ్ అయిన తర్వాత మాకు ఇది నచ్చలేదు, ఎంటైర్ బ్లాక్స్ కూడా చేంజ్ చేసిన చాలా సిచ్యువేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. బట్ ఎక్కడ కూడా ఇది రాంగ్ అని ఇలా ఈవెన్ ఫేస్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ కూడా ఎప్పుడు మేము వీ నెవర్ హ్యాడ్ దట్. So that is where we satisfied very much.
Well guys, this 3-bedroom house contains lot more elements what we have designed in the house. I can see this house has segregated into multiple parts: living area, dining area, informal living area, 3 bedrooms, kitchen, balcony and many more. Let me tell you what we have used in this house. We have used multiple materials. I can say, veneer, 3D tiles, plywood, laminates, high gloss laminates, mirrors, teak. We have used teak dining tables, teak julas and brass elements too. Let me show you. Presently we are in the living area. I can say this is a living part where we have given a L-shaped sofa, a big L-shaped sofa with a nice 3D wallpaper behind the sofa. Exactly opposite to this sofa, we have an amazing TV unit. I can say this is our new design in the TV units. You can see two triangles on both the sides of the TV, and we also implemented the theme in the false ceiling also. Let me take you to the false ceiling. You can see a wooden triangle and 3 gypsum triangles. So this entire living area is one single theme where we have used triangle as a element. So the tiles what you're seeing behind the TV unit, these are fiber 3D tiles where we have deco painted with high gloss white color. This entire unit, including this rafters over here, this all has been designed with nice veneer. You can look at this veneer shade. I can say this veneer shade is something different. You can see the pattern of the veneer. And if you look at the storage underneath, we have given a very big storage underneath. You have 2 drawers over here, you have 2 doors over here, and also we have given an open space to keep your setup box and TV box. The storage capacity what we have given under TV unit is huge, and the customer has placed almost 50 inches TV screen, which is actually really looking good. This entire living room have a amazing theme with veneer white, a sofa, a 3D wallpaper and also a veneer false ceiling. You might have seen so many partitions in the houses between dining and living, and drawing and dining, so and so. So here what we have done in general in the designs, what we do is we give one corner partition from the TV side or one corner partition from the sofa. But we tried something else. We have given a partition exactly in the center of the living room. You can see this partition is almost 3.5 feet width and 9 feet height, glass design. After this partition, we will enter into the dining space. Well, this is the dining space, and you can look at the crockery in it starting from this end to that end. This is almost all 7.5 feet crockery with 7 feet of height. This crockery has given a lot of storage. You can see a glass door, a huge glass door with the glass shelves and the lighting inside, where you can decorate all your accessories of crockeries. And also couple more glass storages at the head level, and we have given spotlights for a couple of open boxes to keep your artifacts. And this is an extra platform which has been designed in step model, step 1, step 2, step 3, to keep some artifacts. And also the background we have not left it plain. We have given a design with mirror and veneer in a horizontal manner, and also the storages at the bottom. And well, you can see a 4-6-seater dining table over here, which is made of teak, and well, of course the glass is yet to become. And also you should look at the ceiling. This dining ceiling is huge. It is almost 6 feet in width and 8 feet in length, with veneer, mirror, and also a beautiful drop lights. Exactly from this dining table, we also have a hand wash vanity space on the other side. This is the vanity space with a designer mirror and a nice texture paint storage along with the vanity sink. From this dining area, next to the vanity space, we also have a puja room. Please come in. So what I personally suggested client is, like, let's not go for a doors for puja. See, there is no compulsion that we should have a doors every time. So this puja room is specially designed without the doors. So what we have done, off of the space, we have designed with veneer and bells and glass. And this is the entrance of the puja. You enter into the puja, you should look at this background design. It's amazing. I can say a nice deco painted MDF with acrylic, and also the lighting behind it. And the storage, you can say it's enough. It's enough puja storage at the bottom level with 2 steps to keep all your photo frames, and also another 3 boxes sidewise. And also we have given a Gopuram style design with veneer at the top for the hangings. Right now we are in informal living space. In this informal living space, we have given a julab which is made of teak, and the chains, if you look at these chains, and these all are brass chains. Of course, this is yet to go down, the work is still under process, but let me take you to the informal living area. Here we have given a divan which is around 6 feet in length and 3 feet in width. A nice divan space where you can enjoy your French door. We have a French door with the curtains over here. Once you open this French door, you will love this ventilation. And look at this background design. These have been ordered from a different online stores to make sure this wall has been decorated nicely with these kind of elements. And if you look at the opposite of this wall, we have given a natural stone cladding. It's a natural stand stone cladding with a rafter on the top running with the spotlights, with candle hangers. These are like hanging stuff where you can keep a candle and glow it in the evening. And a nice chest out drawers with veneer cum glass. You can see these glass strips along with the veneer, and also these brass elements. Every knob of this particular doors are given a brass ones. And here you go, it's a almost 8 feet of French door with a beautiful curtains of level 1 and level 2 of sheer curtains. And the ceiling part, this particular corner part we have designed with the rafters with veneer and LED lights, and also the cove lighting. Well, We are in the master bedroom right now. You can see a king size bed which is 6 feet in width and 6.5 in length, and also we have given 2 side planks to have a storage, and of course a beautiful backdrop design. You have a window over here with a window blind, and we have given a backdrop design with MDF with deco paint. And also you should look at the false ceiling. The false ceiling is done completely with wood and veneer. And this bed is a hydraulic lift up. And this part of the room we have a wardrobe storage. You can see the wardrobe storage on both the sides and also underneath the window. The wardrobe has been designed with white high gloss and with a glass. You can see a proper glass mirror over here. The front part is all given with mirror design along with the loft. Exactly opposite to the bed we have a TV unit here. It's a TV unit again with a veneer and high gloss white with a storage at the bottom, and also to keep artifacts provision at the top. And also in the master bedroom we have a closet area. If you come here, in this closet area we have given a dressing space, a huge mirror which is almost 3 feet in width and 5 feet in height, and storage at the bottom, and one more storage over here. From the second living area we also have an entrance for the kids bedroom. Please come in. Well, I can say wow, this kids bedroom has been done with multicolors. We have given a sliding wardrobe at one side with 2-door sliding wardrobe. Soft closing. This wardrobe has been designed with blue, white and yellow. 3 colors are involved in this wardrobe along with the dressing space. You can see we have given a dressing mirror and also the storage for the kids to keep their artifacts, photo frames or some toys with the spotlights along with it. And also the storage provided at both the sides, the drawers and also the doors. And now this is a bunk bed. You can see a proper bunk bed which is like 4.5 feet in width, and I can say queen size. It's 5 feet in width and 6 feet in length, and this is like 3 feet in width and 6 feet in length. We also given a provision at the bottom for one more bed. So basically 2 people can sleep over there, and 1 on the top and 2 more at the bottom level. And we have a staircase from this corner to climb up on the top of the bed, and you also have a storage underneath the staircase. I can say this is a simple and beautiful study table for the kids. The combination of this table is yellow, white and green and pink. So there are like 2 kids, so we have designed the bookshelves in 2 different shapes, okay, one in shape of G and one in the shape of V. And you also have a storage for your books over here. And a nice space to access the table.
My room is very nice and it is so colorful and beautiful, and everything looks very good. Keshav designed it very well.
From the study table, we also given a wallpaper for one of the wall, as his son is more into cars theme. So here you go, the nice wallpaper, as is the only wall available in this particular room. So he wanted the cars, so we have done a wallpaper here. You should look at these blinds, a nice customized blinds as per the kids theme. And the ceiling, The ceiling has been designed with multi-color rope lights like pink, blue and warm yellow with LED lights and a designer fan. As it's a east facing, so once we enter into the house, we have our kitchen on the left side of the house. So this is the first entrance on the left side, which has been given for the kitchen purpose. So the kitchen have a particular size and space constraint. So based on that, we have given a parallel kitchen. We have given one kitchen on this side and the other kitchen on this side. It's a parallel kitchen with a granite platform and nice dado tiles of Kalankari and high gloss white with a hydraulic storage of profiles with rose gold and also a loft. So this kitchen color is like, the bottom we have taken a sunrise metallic color and all the top part we have taken a frosted white. And we also given a storage on this side of the, so we have given a storage on the pathway of utility, like you have a way to go to utility. So we have given a storage with less depth. It is almost at 15 inches depth. We have given storage at the bottom and also head level. And this space is particularly dedicated for the fridge area. They have chosen a fridge almost all 3 feet in width. And our passage area is also very much clear, where we can easily walk around the house. And we also have a guest bedroom opposite to the vanity unit. Done a very simple designing, I can say, a nice sliding wardrobe almost all 8 feet in length along with the working unit in this corner. If you look at this, we have given a working space and also a provision for the printer at the bottom level. Working space with a bookshelf storage at the top. So you can open your laptop and put the chair over here and you can do a proper working. Keeping Vastu into the consideration, this is the northeast corner of the house. So what we have done, we left an empty space as there should not be any weight in the northeast corner, and we have placed a small ledge, glass ledge with Vinayaka. The customer has done a very good thing choosing a nice blinds. You should look at these blinds, the fabric is very amazing with a neat design. And also the false ceiling. It's a simple and a neat false ceiling with a minimalistic design. We also placed a wallpaper for one of the wall in this bedroom. That's exactly when you come inside the bedroom, it's on your right side wall.
టైం 100% ఎవరికి మనం ఇది కావాలని మనకు తెలియదు. స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత తెలుస్తుంటుంది. అట్లా స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత అంటే స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత మేము చెప్పిన చేంజెస్కి మేము ఫస్ట్ అనుకోలేదు, ఇది రాదు, ఇది మన ఫస్ట్ ఇనిషియల్ దాంట్లో లేదు అన్న మాట ఎప్పుడు మాకు వినిపించలేదు.
We are very happy with that. Thank you so much.